will probably be my final video. My husband is getting remarried today. I haven't done everything perfect by a long shot, but I've had hope, I've had faith, I've prayed. I've tried everything that I know to do to restore my marriage. The funny thing is, even yesterday, God was speaking to me through the scripture of the day that said, remember what I have told you. Don't forget. Like, he's still telling me that we're going to be together. And he's getting married today. My rose-colored glasses have been smashed to pieces. Yet I still wear them. Somehow I still hold on to hope. Even when there is none.